Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues and partners of the Acid Deposition Monitoring Network in East Asia, EANET. EANET was established in 2001 by 13 participating countries from Northeast Asia and Southeast Asia as a regional intergovernmental network to promote cooperation among countries in East Asia to address acid deposition problems. EANET is therefore one of the most experienced networks in the Asia-Pacific region dealing with atmospheric pollution causing acid deposition. In the last 20 years, EANET has made excellent progress in creating a common understanding of the state of acid deposition problems in East Asia, in providing inputs for decision-making at the local, national, and regional levels aimed at preventing or reducing adverse impacts on the environment caused by acid deposition, and in contributing to regional cooperation on the issues related to acid deposition among the participating countries. EANET has supported some 135 trainees and 27 research fellows over this period from relevant officials and experts from the participating countries to improve their capacity in monitoring and policy making to address acid deposition. It has fostered a regional acid deposition monitoring methodology and scientific exchange platforms, which have contributed gradually to solving acid deposition problems in East Asia. Since 2006, the EANET has been consolidating and managing this important knowledge by developing periodic reports on the state of acid deposition in East Asia. Published every 4 to 5 years, aimed at providing high-quality data to be used for research, formulation of policies, and measures to reduce the impacts of acid deposition and related air pollutants on the environment. So I'm very pleased today that the 4th periodic report on the state of acid deposition in East Asia will be presented. The presentation will showcase 20 years of data and experience from the EANET network on acid deposition and related atmospheric pollutants. I believe that the findings of this report will be very helpful for many countries in the region, especially as we continue to work on solutions for clean air. In this context, I'm very glad that in November 2021, the EANET participating countries approved the supplementary document and annex to the instrument for strengthening the EANET that will now enable the EANET to work on broader air pollution issues. This year, ladies and gentlemen, UNEP celebrated its 50th founding anniversary. At the 1972 United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden, environment ministers and agencies then came together and adopted a series of principles for the sound management of the environment, the Stockholm Declaration and the Action Plan for the Human Environment, and several resolutions, and also the establishment of the United Nations Environment Programme. Addressing pollution was even then one of the key issues included in those principles, action plan, and resolutions. 50 years later, air pollution continues to worsen. Almost the entire global population, 99%, breathe air that exceeds the World Health Organization's air quality limits, hindering population's right to a healthy environment. The inability to decouple economic growth, urbanization, and motorization has greatly contributed to the air pollution problem. COVID-19 pandemic has shown us the possibility to improve air quality, as many of us have seen and shared various photos of blue skies, clean air, and high visibility in our cities due to the various lockdowns in many parts of the world. Pandemic should have given us the opportunity to learn and take on lessons for solutions to build back better. So as we rebuild our economies to be resilient, sustainable, inclusive, and just, we must prioritize actions that promote technology solutions, increase financial investments, and build capacity for clean air solutions. UNEP has identified the 3 planetary crises that we are facing: climate, nature, and pollution. These are interlinked issues that are influenced by our sustainable production and consumption patterns. Air pollution is therefore high in UNEP's work to support member states and networks such as EANET, and we will continue to enable solutions to improve air quality worldwide. UNEP is privileged to serve as secretariat to the EANET and help the participating countries in addressing the acid deposition and air pollution problems in the region, especially now that EANET has approved the expansion of its scope to include other atmospheric environment-related substances and the establishment of the EANET Project Fund and Project Guidelines. There is a new financial mechanism allowing EANET to facilitate investment in clean air solution projects with partners. I wish to thank the speakers, the panelists who will be discussing the topic later, participants, and the committee who coordinated the production of the report for the important knowledge that is now available to us in the 4th periodic report on the state of acid deposition in East Asia. I wish you all the best in today's discussions. Thank you.